Ever thought about jumping into a healthcare career that's really in demand but doesn't mean you'll be in school for years and years? Well, today we're going to break down the complete guide to becoming an online medical assistant, which is, believe it or not, one of the fastest growing jobs in the entire medical field. So if you're out there looking for a way to get into a stable, new career, and you want to do it fast without racking up a ton of debt, then you are in the perfect place. This could absolutely be the path for you. Okay, check out this number, 14%. That's how much the job market for medical assistants is expected to grow by 2032. Now, to put that into perspective, that is way faster than the average for pretty much all other jobs. The demand is seriously high, and the opportunity is very, very real. Right, so with that kind of crazy growth, what does a medical assistant actually do? And why is this career just exploding right now? Let's dig in and really understand the role and the opportunity here.
The best way to think about a medical assistant is like they're the Swiss Army knife of any clinic or doctor's office. They're trained to handle two totally different but equally important areas. You've got the clinical stuff, like drawing blood and taking vital signs, and the admin side, like scheduling appointments and handling the billing. This dual skill set makes them absolutely indispensable.
So how do you actually get into this field? This is where things get interesting, because we're going to compare the modern online route versus the old school traditional way. Let's see why going online might just be the smarter, faster path to your new career. Let's just look at the hard numbers, right? An online program like the one from CSI costs around $900, and you can be done in as little as 3 months. Now, compare that to a traditional school, you're looking at $2, $3, even $4,000. Plus, you're stuck on their long, rigid schedule. I mean, the difference in time and money is just huge. You know, what this all really boils down to is one thing: control. The online path puts you in the driver's seat. You get to learn at your own pace, which means you can actually fit your schoolwork around your job, your family, your life. It's built for real people, and you get all that for a fraction of the cost. Okay, so let's say the online route is sounding pretty good. What's it actually take to get certified? Let's break down the whole journey from the moment you enroll all the way to landing a job in 5 super clear steps. And here it is, the entire roadmap laid out in 5 simple stages. It's really designed to be as straightforward as possible. You start by enrolling online, then you jump into the coursework. After that, you'll take a bunch of practice exams to make sure you're ready. Then comes the big one, the official NHA exam. That's the National Healthcare Association. And the final step? Boom, you're certified and ready to start your career. Seeing it like this just makes it feel so achievable, doesn't it? Now, during that coursework phase, you're diving into the real meat of healthcare. We're not just talking about theory here. You're learning things like anatomy, pharmacology, and all the essential clinical procedures you'll literally be using every single day on the job. And get this, the program makes sure you are ready for that final exam. Before you're even allowed to take it, you have to score an 80% or higher on the practice tests. This isn't just some random rule, it's there to build your confidence so you can walk in and ace the real thing. So, when you sign up for a good online program, what do you actually get? Let's open up the box and look at all the tools and support systems that are there to make sure you succeed. For a program like the one from the Clinical Skills Institute, this is the key number to remember: $900. That is a flat rate, it's all-inclusive, there are no hidden fees, no surprise costs. What you see is what you pay to get from day one all the way to certification. And that tuition? It covers the whole shebang. You get all your materials, textbooks, ebooks, practice quizzes, video lessons, but even more important, you get real support, like help finding an externship and even job placement assistance. It even covers the fee for your first shot at the official NHA exam, which is a huge bonus. Now listen, this might be the most important part. The certification you earn is not just some piece of paper. Because the program is an accredited partner of the National Health Career Association, the NHA, your certification is recognized by employers all across the country. It is your official ticket to getting hired. It's legit. Okay, now for the part everybody's been waiting for, the payoff. Let's talk about what kind of salary you can expect, your job prospects, and what actual students have been able to achieve after finishing this program. So what can you expect to make? Well, looking at estimates for 2025, a starting salary is going to be somewhere between $37,000 and $45,000 a year. But think of that as just your starting point.
The really crucial thing to see here is the potential. Once you get some experience, maybe specialize in something, your earning power can go way up from there.
And look, this isn't just wishful thinking. These are real-world results. Graduates are consistently passing that NHA exam on their very first try. A lot of them are getting hands-on externships before they even graduate, and they are landing full-time jobs, often within just a few weeks of getting that certificate. This path really works.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. When you see a clear, affordable, and super fast path laid out right in front of you, is it possible that your new career in a stable, growing field isn't years away, but maybe just a few short months away?